Right. The next thing you're going to do is you receive two of these clips, guide clips for the universal brackets to keep your air safe universal brackets. And what these do is they slide in here and they align the two brackets when they're compressing the MERV 13 air filter and the fan itself. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your 20 by 20 MERV 13 air filter and you're essentially going to dry fit it on top of the fan. And the way that this works is when it's installed together, uh, it is going to essentially compress product together, a couple of tension bands, and that is going to be, in most part, how the keep your air safe universal brackets attach a MERV 13 air filter to your 20-inch box fan, creating a very inexpensive but effective air filtration system. So I wanted to show you how to determine how to attach the bracket to your, or at least fit the bracket for your MERV 13 air filter. Again, you have these guide tabs. And what you're going to do, each manufacturer manufactures their air filters differently. Sometimes these bands, these cardboard bands, can be made wider or thinner. And again, our universal tab will fit either one. You can see here that this inner tab needs to be cut, and then on this side, the inner tab will most likely have to be cut to make it fit properly. There's going to be some fitment, and again, it depends on the MERV 13 air filter. But once the guide tabs are cut, it'll really restrain the air filter from moving.